Hi grillers, I'm Brad with BB Grill Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite smash burger recipe. It's going to be a smash with your friends and family. So what is a smash burger, you might ask? Well, in its simplest form, a smash burger is just a burger that you flatten by smashing it into a griddle. Why would you smash a burger into the griddle? There's a lot of theories behind this, but my personal favorite is it always comes down to surface area and heat transfer. What I think happens is you have a really hot griddle, either aluminum, cast iron, something like that, with a big surface area. It's really hot, holds a lot of heat, and transfers the heat into the burger. You get a nice sear on both sides of the burger. You get the best chance to sear the entire side of the burger. On top of that, you don't really lose any fat. The fat does squish out when you smash the burger, but a lot of the time it reabsorbs when you're cooking and resting the burger. When it comes to seasoning your beef, you can really do anything. The world is your oyster. You could take cheese, you could dice onions, you could dice bacon, ham, other vegetables, anything you want and mix it in. What I'm gonna do today is keep it simple. I'm gonna put a half of a tablespoon of salt, a half of a tablespoon of black pepper, and a half of a tablespoon of cumin. And that's it. Once you've seasoned your beef, take it out of the pan and put it into 2-inch balls. You have a lot of options when it comes to choosing a griddle. You can use a cast iron or aluminum griddle on your grill. You could use a skillet on top of your stove, or like me, you could use a purpose-built gas griddle. Today I'm using my Blackstone 28-inch gas griddle. I'm gonna quickly fry up some bacon and toast some buns. We're going to take each of these balls, put them onto the hot griddle, and smash them with a spatula. Use parchment paper to keep the meat from sticking to your spatula. After smashing, flip each burger and add cheese. We're gonna let this sit until the cheese melts and then serve them onto buns. Serve each burger hot off the griddle. You have a lot of options when it comes to toppings. Today I'm going to be using ketchup, mustard, mayo, sliced onion, sliced tomato, lettuce, pickles, and bacon. It's going to be a great burger. All right, gonna go ahead and give you guys a taste test. Let's see if I can even put this in my mouth. Whoa, maybe the best burger I've had. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, check out my grill grates versus Lodge cast iron griddle comparison. It might give you guys a good idea on what kind of griddle to get for your next smash burger experience. Cut!